Thunderstorm Watch number 492, effective until 12 a.m. Thursday. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland, Frederick, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following counties, in Virginia, Arlington, Clark, Fairfax, and Loudoun, and the following independent cities, in Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax and Falls Church, and Jefferson, West Virginia, and the following, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, and Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, southwestern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, northern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, east-central Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia until 10:15 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shepherdstown to near Corporation of Ranson, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Charlestown, Harry Grove Stadium, Ballinger Creek, Brunswick, Walkersville, Ranson, Boothboro, Braddock Heights, Mount Lena, San March. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Discovery Spring Garden, Lindenhall, Martinsville, Adamstown, Jefferson, and Myersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Lord, we should pray for...
Now for the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Frederick County in north-central Maryland until 10:15 p.m.
Next
At
3
9:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Carroll Valley to Wilkesville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Thurman, Pittsburgh, Janetown, Woodsville, Lakeville, Harney, Rocky Ridge, Detour, Kinesville, Keeper, and Grayson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Lines to...
Now,
Is it us at Safford?
Flash flood watch in effect until 4 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of D.C., central Maryland, and northern Virginia, including the following areas: in D.C., District of Columbia; in central Maryland, and Arundel and Prince George's; in northern Virginia, Arlington, Falls Church, and Alexandria; eastern Loudoun, Fairfax, Prince William, Manassas, and Manassas Park in western Loudoun. Until 4 a.m. Thursday. Showers and scattered thunderstorms are expected tonight. Average rainfall amounts of 1/2 to 1 inch is expected. However, Thunderstorms will contain very heavy rainfall with rainfall rates around 1 to 3 inches per hour. Localized rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible. Heavy amounts of rain in a short period of time may cause creeks and streams to rapidly rise out of their banks, as well as the potential for flash flooding in urban areas. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland, Carroll, and Frederick, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northwestern Carroll County in north central Maryland, central Frederick County in north central Maryland until 4:50 a.m. At 10:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain and thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warm area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Frederick, Thurmont, Emmitsburg, Ballinger Creek, Tanatown, Walkersville, Braddock Heights, Clover Hill, Discovery Spring Garden, Wolfsville, Jefferson, Myersville, Woodsboro, Saviour-Laceville, Burkittsville, Lewistown, Utica, Grayson, Bloomfield, Rocky Ridge. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, issued a flood warning for Central Fred. Heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flood. Thurmont. Creek. Tanatown. Braddock Heights. Discovery Spring Garden.
And we lost it.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Virginia, Clark, Frederick, Page, Shenandoah, and Warren, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for southwestern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Page County in northwestern Virginia, central Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, Warren County in northwestern Virginia until 4:30 a.m. Thursday.
Like Jacqueline Cosmetic.
24 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain in northwestern Virginia. Warren County in northwestern or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Royal, Strasburg, Woodstock, Mount Jackson, Stephen City, Middletown, Edinburgh, Wallertown, Tom Brook, Dilbeck, Seven Sons, Bentonville, Fort Jackson, St. David's Church, Lanville, Carmel, Clary, Buffalo. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warm area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 1 a.m. At 10:54 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles northwest of Irvington, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Hooper Island Light, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Nanticoke River mouth, Southwest Middle Grounds, Point Lookout, Hongo River, Fishing Bay, St. George Island, Point No Point, Bivalve, Patargus, Richland Point Buoy and Deal Island, harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for south central Frederick County in north central Maryland until 2:15 a.m. At 11:02 p.m., emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Carroll Parkway and West Patrick Street were closed due to several feet of water in the roadway. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Frederick, Harry Grove Stadium, Ballinger Creek, Walkersville, Braddock Heights, Lincoln or Bartonsville, Discovery Spring Garden, Clover Hill, Adamstown, Buckeyestown, Bloomfield, Jamesville, Mount Pleasant, Clinton, Park Mills. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Important information will follow. To activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service issuing a flash...
Maryland, Carroll, and Frederick. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northern Carroll County in north central Maryland.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area between 1 and 3.
Safety alert. Safety alert.
Flooding is already occurring. Carroll Parkway and West Patrick Street were closed due to several feet of water in the roadway. Life-threatening flash closed due to several feet of water in the roadway. Emergency management reported life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highway streets, and underpasses part of the impact. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Frederick, Ballinger Creek, Harry Grove Stadium, Walkersville, Braddock Heights, Discovery Spring Garden, Adamstown, Bloomfield, Mount Pleasant, Park Mills, Buckeyestown, and Clifton. But again, precautionary measures here. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flooded deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. But again, National Weather Service issuing a flash flood warning for south central Frederick County in north central Maryland until 2:15 a.m.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland, Carroll, Frederick, and Howard. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, southeastern Carroll County in north central Maryland, east central Frederick County in north central Maryland until 6 a.m. Thursday. At 11:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Westminster, Ellicott City, Eldersburg, Mount Airy, Hampstead, Sacresville, Oakland, Gamber, Gaither, Winfield, Woodbine, Carrolltown, Louisville, Lisbon, Watersville, Poplar Springs, Henriton, West Friendship, Glenwood, Marriottsville. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.